Alright, YouTube, we back again with another unboxing. We already done did the cabinet, got the welding cabinet together. Gonna start putting some accessories on top of it, some equipment for our metal work to what's to come. But we're gonna do the plasma cutter. Yeah, we're gonna open up the plasma cutter. This is the Cut 65 DS made by Yes Weld. I got the helmet too, but I bought them separate. Got the auto darkening helmet. I think I paid about $180 for it with a coupon I found online. This said we got a ground clamp, power adapter cord, gas hose, operation manual, and plasma torch. This is the unit itself. Excuse me. Package pretty good. Okay. Okay. Got an adapter for in case you want to use 110, 120. Air hose, grounding cable. Might as well open it. There you got the grounding cable. There you got a little snap on it. This is the torch. Little key tool to tighten certain stuff on the back and the front, and a guide. They didn't give you no packs of consumables here. At least one pack or one extra set. Looks like you gotta order some. Got a little trigger guard, so you won't accidentally start it. Okay. What about a quarter of an inch from where this guide to the tip when you making contact with your metal. This cable is pretty long. Got your user manual here. You know how we do it. Put it together first, then read the instructions. like I might have different outlet. My compressor 220 is a different outlet to this 220 plug. I'm gonna have to get some electrical work done so I can run all my stuff at one time. Cause you gotta have the compressor running with your plasma cutter. You need that. They go hand in hand. All right, all right. Digital. So you run your compressor straight to the back of this with this air hose. I think I'm gonna put an adapter on mine. And or I can put my air chuck or my regular hose onto it instead of having hoses ran everywhere. Cause this car gonna be moving. It's gonna be mobile. Not too far, but then in case I want to take it off. Alright. Got plenty of table space with this Vulcan heavy duty welding cart. We got 2 washers on there. I'm pretty sure you sandwich them in there. All right. Then you got your ground cable. Alright. For all the hand tighten screw in, I don't know what you need this tool for. Oh, okay. Well, they could at least gave you another end to go to your compressor. Well, I guess you can't ask for much for $280 and to be able to cut that type of metal. But I see what everybody talking about how your wires, these wires here, they should have tucked it all in. You don't need all this slack. Something can get snagged on it or so forth. But yeah. In a nutshell, that's it. That's ground cable radio. Pretty nice lead on your ground too. cable go pretty far to your workstation. A good 10 feet without yanking on it. Then your torch cable goes pretty far, so a little further than your ground. Yeah. Look forward to using it. I'll give y'all a review on production. Do another little review in the future when I start cutting metal. That's the gist of the unboxing and the adapter, power adapter. Appreciate you tuning in with me. Like and subscribe. Come back and visit me again. We got some more unboxing to do. See what we got going next, huh? Appreciate you.